Hey there! Have you ever wondered who can actually open a Monzo account? It's a question that might pop up in your mind if you're considering switching banks or looking for a more modern banking experience. Let's dive in and find out. Hook. Imagine you're on a journey to a new financial destination. Monzo could be that destination, but who's allowed to board the train? Let's explore the eligibility criteria. Main content. 1. Residency. UK resident. The most straightforward requirement is that you need to be a resident of the United Kingdom. This means you have a permanent address in the UK. Non-UK resident. If you're not a UK resident, unfortunately, you can't open a Monzo account directly. However, there might be alternative options or partnerships that could cater to your needs. 2. Age. 18 or older. To open a Monzo account, you need to be at least 18 years old. This is a standard age requirement for most financial services. Under 18. If you're under 18, Monzo doesn't offer individual accounts. However, there might be options for joint accounts with a parent or guardian. 3. Identity verification. Proof of identity. To ensure the security of your account, Monzo will require you to provide proof of your identity. This typically involves documents like a passport, driving license, or national identity card. Address verification. You will also need to verify your address. This might involve providing a utility bill or bank statement. 4. Financial circumstances. No minimum deposit. One of the great things about Monzo is that there's no minimum deposit required to open an account. This makes it accessible to people with different financial situations. Credit check. While Monzo doesn't typically perform a credit check, they might do so in certain circumstances, such as when you apply for additional features or services. 5. Eligible countries. UK focus. Monzo is primarily focused on the UK market. While they might have partnerships or limited services in other countries, the core account is designed for UK residents. Additional considerations. Joint accounts. If you're looking to open a joint account, both individuals need to meet the eligibility criteria. Business accounts. Monzo also offers business accounts, but these have specific requirements for businesses based in the UK. Student accounts. Students might have access to additional benefits or features through Monzo's student accounts. Conclusion. So, to summarize, if you're a UK resident aged 18 or older, you are generally eligible to open a Monzo account. You'll need to provide proof of identity and address, and there's no minimum deposit required. Call to action. If you're ready to explore the world of Monzo, head over to their website and start the application process. It's quick and easy. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Monzo or banking in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking!